Two numbers have a sum of 50. What is the maximum product that they can have? Okay, so to solve this, we can do this by trial and error. But if you know the shortcut for this, automatic, the maximum product is the middle. Okay? So we have two numbers have a sum of 50. So two numbers have a sum of 50. So if we list all the numbers 1 to 50, the middle of that is 25. So shortcut for this is 25 or 50 divided by 2. So 25 times 25. So that is the maximum product. If we have a sum, so given we have two numbers have a sum of 50. Okay, so if you do not know this technique, so just get the half of 50, 25, and then square it. If you don't know that technique, we can do this by trial and error. Let's try 1 plus 49, 2 plus 48, 3 plus 47, 4 plus 46, and so on up to 25 plus 25. So these are the list of the sum of the two numbers with a sum of 50. So by inspection, we have 1 plus 4. Let's multiply 1 times 49. We have 49. 2 times 48, that is equal to 96. 3 times 47. 3 times 47, that is equal to 141. 4 times 46, that is equal to 184. As you can see, as the first number increases and then the second number decreases, their product also increases. So that means the maximum product is the 25 plus 25. So if we multiply 25 times 25, the answer to this is 625. So the correct answer is letter C. So 5 times 5, we have 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2. So we have 12. 2 times 25, we have 50. Add this, bring down 5. 12 plus 50 is 62. So therefore, 625 is the maximum product. So remember this technique. If you have two numbers given the sum, the maximum product is always the middle of this number, or just divide this by 2 and then square it. So 25 plus 25 gives the maximum product. Follow me for more content like this.